magokoro omboto igaruete gesusunya gaka so nagatumiru na ira kirandi ororo kia mabere babeka mabere ichora anya tirimboki gojubo basi so kina inchino muamati bwa banyari bali kwe nganjira mwalenge nsange na inu biyamona soko nganjira
egento njunda atebo maena egento ekeni bwete mugarote abanga tuke ande chupiri onye wasaire chupiri yori nche naye twalestan tari ngatwasinya ni ayo no yo mintu lakini sege siasa tuliko ngendamu
senge njuta tadi ko ira chinga chininge kanzi gabu I'm welcoming you. I hope to hear what you have done and even to know what we give you some stuff with Iraka. You know, I was hoping that thing could continue. That 1 or 2% penalty, but it looks like I think it was standstill. But anyway,
second, Mheshimiwa wachitega last time ugatotebia ngo chiorgo tena chikura chanya ali wali masaba abange baito you are very calm, a gentleman, very eloquent, a slow speaker but to the point. Abantu bandi babwata mangana bakwayereria you speak a point of the point umuntu mungaini na bakolika chi composition ibitawo byange
tigatori yentire ngao yogokonya abantu baito Kenya tari chupiri nasaba seseni
obo busimburi obobe tonyago tabanga nobobe ekiagera baba tabanga chinguru cy'abantu baito okira asobo mu bwaito lakini nende mheshimiwa abantu abato baita mono ekerengerere kikyobo munkeri ekiya tatigaho tuwa machikorranga the intention was wrong taribo umwabu wayerera iganga tebe manoti nanga ki umwabe ko bosiriko esuguriye tarabera mongo chikorro mugambi ngaki mwo koraiga nariyo bokimo botoko ko ye toboragere twenze